Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit text in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to go to your YouTube so you can start creating your YouTube Shorts. So here I'm just going to the YouTube app and then I will click on this plus icon so we can start creating content. And after that, you will need to choose first uh, your YouTube content duration or you can just go to your gallery and choose some content. I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to click on next. So here you will be able to clip your uh, text and now, I mean your video, and now you will need just to go to the processing part. Now you can start adding some filters or some effects to your video. And I'm just going to click on done and continue to the processing. And now you can start streaming again your video and you can add some voiceover if you would like. So as you can see, you can have some voiceover. I don't want to. And all we need to do now is just to go to the text place. So from here, you will be able to start editing your text here in your YouTube Shorts. So all we need to do is just to click something. So I'm just going to add text one. And basically you have many things that you can edit. This is the font size. And basically if you want to make it bigger or smaller. This is the font color. This is the alignment. So if you have something like for example, like this or uh, test, and basically this is the alignment, and you can choose any alignments that you would like. And let's go back to the text. You can click on it again so you can edit it. So I'm just going to click on edit, and you can choose also the highlighting for your text. You can also choose the fonts, etc. And basically after that, you will need just to click on next. And basically you have your text that has been edited. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.